he goes.
Yo, this is the greatest thing ever. Stop. Now we have a way to get Tim to exercise.
I know. Uh-oh. Somebody's in... Ow! Chiquita! Let me touch you, Chiquita!
You gonna hit the camera? Hey, cut that out. Go. What's that?
Get him, Lily, get him! Get him!
Are you mean? You are? You're mean?
Keep those claws in. You can play with them, but you have to be gentle.
Strange kid.
Be nice to the baby goats. Be nice. There you go. Give them kisses. Lick their face. Milk. You are very strange sometimes, Kat.
I can't get it. There's no way. They're not gonna get it.
So what do you
That's all I'm gonna get.
put one in the bottom, you gotta build it.
Are you stretching? Look, Chop, are you stretching? Yeah? Go ahead, keep going.
No.
Porter wants him to play so badly. Oh my gosh, he's going.
Cornflower. Be nice. It's buggy.
Disappeared.
Junior!
No!
Ready, go!
Stop doing it! I'm totally dead.
Wait for it. I'm gonna hear it go.